Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A 2019 10.1 T510 T515 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed to the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. To remove the screen, it needs to heat gently around the screen edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the tablet heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the screen. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the LCD screen. This process will take time and be gentle with the screen. While pulling out the LCD screen, gently flip the screen to 180 degrees from the top to the bottom. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug. And now you can free the screen from the body. Next, eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 23 screws on the frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool or picker to create a gap between the frame and the housing. And then gently move around the edge to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, detach the mid-frame from the back housing. Now you can separate the back housing and the mid-frame body. Next, take out the broken camera lens glass from the back housing. Apply some heat from the front side to loosen the adhesive. and then gently push from the rear side to take out the broken lens. If there are pieces, gently pull out piece by piece and then make sure to clean the surface. Next, place and secure the new camera lens glass with adhesive. Next, clamp the back housing to the mid frame. Ensure all clips are secured. Next, insert 23 screws into the frame. Next, connect the LCD screen plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the screen by adding adhesive. For this, you can use pre-cut screen adhesive or B7000 glue on the edges. Next, slide the screen from the bottom to the top. Gently press on the edges to secure the screen on the frame. Finally, we are adding binding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, use some rubber bands to tie the screen to the body. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.